Hi, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. I got a request to do a tutorial on my Squid Game edit. So with this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now let's get started. First, open CapCut with this Squid Game clip. If you want to download this clip, you can click on the link in the description. Then we are going to go to the honeycomb part. I'm going to zoom in all the way so I can see it better. So I'm going to be at about 0.04 second and then at about 9F. Then click on overlay, add overlay. Select the picture that you want to use. If it's overlap with the other one, then you need to make adjustment. Then get to 0-06 at about 12 frame. Then you can click on split and then delete the part that you don't need. You might need to make small adjustment. Just make sure it doesn't overlap with the other part. Then zoom out. Then we are going to go back and then click on effects, video effects, and then we are going to go to comic, select black and white sketch, click on object, select overlay. You want to make sure the effect is all the way on the overlay. If you don't, it will be like this. So just make sure it's on it all the way. Then go back to overlay, click on the overlay picture, click on splice, select slide. Then you can click on mask, select the circle one, and then you can adjust how much of the picture you want to show. Then we're going to add another overlay that's at the same length as the overlay picture. And I'm going to import a yellow overlay, which I will also include in the link. And then you want to make sure they align with each other. For this one, you want to click on splice and then adjust the opacity to about 50. Then click on mask, select the circle one, and adjust it in like oval shape. Adjust this icon to make it a little bit blur on the edge. Once you're happy with it, then you can click on OK. Let me show you the difference with this and without. So without, the picture will be darker. So if you like it like that, then you can skip the step of adding the yellow overlay. But if you want to, this is how you can do it. Then click on here to export the clip. Now click on new project, import the clip we just saved. Then get to the honeycomb part. Then click on effects, video effects, basic, and then we're going to select shake, adjust, and then adjust the speed to about 3 and then intensity to 3. You can always do more if you want. And then adjust the effect to end at the end of the honeycomb part as well. So that's how you can create this edit. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider like, subscribe, and comment down below. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you next time.